Hello there, Year 5. It's me, Mr. A. Been a while. Hope you're doing okay, and I'm back with an update about your gardening project. I'll show you how things are going, and yeah, there's got some in the classroom, some outside which I've planted out now. I'll take you out and see them in a minute. But first, let's have a look at the tomatoes. Okay, here's the tomatoes, which are looking quite healthy. Some of them have been home with me in the conservatory, getting some heat. I've been making sure they've been watered, and now they're back in school and looking quite good. Actually, I'm quite happy with these. See, lots of healthy leaves. I've propped them up with some of your paint brushes for now. I hope that's all right. But yeah, they're doing pretty well. Okay, let's go outside. That in there, by the way, is possibly a cucumber, but I don't know. Like I said before, not a gardener. All right, here we are on the field. I'm going to show you what else is going on out here. Let's start with yeah, here's some potatoes. See, the potatoes are looking pretty good. They're planted out in tyres. I've earthed them up a little bit. They've had plenty of water over these few weeks, so they're looking pretty good. Over here we've got some courgettes, which I've just planted out today. They've been in the classroom, and some of them got a bit weathered, let's say. They didn't have water in for a few days, but they look to be pretty much recovered, and they're planted out now. So they get some fresh air and some water when it rains. Here's some more here. You see some of them have got flowers already. And the flowers is that's where the courgette springs from. So you'll see that when they come out, as they get a bit bigger. And one more lot of courgettes there. One of them may be a cucumber, not entirely sure. Looks a bit different. And here, last but not least, a few more courgettes in there. So yeah. So all in all, we've got about 12 courgette plants out here, about 8 or 9 tomato plants upstairs, and about 6 lots of potatoes out here, which are doing pretty well, and give or take a couple of cucumber plants. Yeah, it's gone pretty well, I think, so far, and hopefully you'll be back at some point before the summer holidays to see what goes on with them. Maybe do some of this yourselves. Like I said, I'm not a gardener. I did a bit of research online, and some of that said that these plants I should take outside for a while, the courgettes and whatnot, take outside for a day at a time. It's a process called hardening, where you take them outside just in their pots, and they get used to the outside air, the difference in temperature. You take them out for the day, and then you bring them back in at the end of the day. Unfortunately, I chose one of the windiest and coldest days in the last 8 weeks to do that, and they took a bit of a hammering that day, so I brought them back in, and they've been inside since then. So hopefully they'll do all right now with the milder weather. We're just about into June, so yeah, that's your gardening project. And I'll be back again with another update if anything should change, but until then I'll just be keeping them watered and keeping you updated. So that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye bye.